Delighted that Bangor has the honour of leading the KES programmes, both 1 and 2, on behalf of all of the universities in Wales. What exactly is KES 2? For those of you who might not be fully familiar with it, it's not the Knowledge Economy Skills Scholarship, or KES 2 scheme, is intended to partner over 500 businesses with academics and postgraduate research students to develop innovative research programmes aimed at driving business growth. It's a scheme that is backed by the European Union, of course. The total scheme is worth £36 million, of which 26 has been provided by the EU. This money will allow, over the next 4 to 5 years, will allow over 600 postgraduate students to benefit from opportunities to develop themselves as research professionals as part of research masters and PhD programmes which are funded through the scheme.
KES 2 brings investment in those people who will be the future drivers of prosperity in Wales, with businesses to commercialise the research that we create here in Welsh universities.
The future of Wales lies in our investment and development of the next generation, and in ensuring that we grow our competitive edge. Providing the resources to combine research, knowledge exchange and higher level skills development is going to be critical to the chances of us delivering a positive future. And this goes really to the heart of the KES programme.
The KES programme really has been a fantastic programme for us. The partners that we've had have been very different to one another. We've had SMEs, the true meaning of SMEs, very small but very forward-thinking companies that really benefit from funding for research that otherwise they would not be able to fund themselves.
For me, the KESs were very successful, but it was very much a team effort. And point one is that all the students that went through these KESs are now employed within Wales, which for me speaks for itself.
Working with an industry partner offers the opportunity to gain an insight into an industry work environment, which allows to develop practical skills that will be beneficial after the PhD when looking for a job or working outside.
KES created the perfect PhD for me by bridging the academic sector with the NHS Health Board. It gave me the perfect balance between the pedant academic life and the fast-paced hospital environment.
But certainly with the KES Studentship Scheme, this has given us an opportunity to be a much more active partner in that research and really make sure that the outcomes of it are implemented and widely disseminated.
It's a substantial investment, EU investment, that will help align research with the needs of small businesses and drive higher level skills in Wales in the coming years.
So in KES we have a highly successful collaboration that's put Wales on the map, and we're building on the talent and know-how in our universities, businesses and other organisations to take forward innovative and inspiring ideas.
If we're going to go on being successful in having that open door international sense of what it means to be Welsh and in Wales, then offering the sort of opportunities that the KES 2 programme offers seems to me to be absolutely pivotal in achieving that ambition.
So I hope from this evening that you will spread the word. We need to get people on board, bring in new company partners and deepen the relationships that we have with our current company partners. We work across all 8 universities and the whole of Wales. So there's huge potential with opportunities arising through KES 2 and the benefits that brings to the region.